Welcome back. So hacking is nothing but identifying the weakness of a network or a device and getting complete access of it. In this session, we'll discuss how to hack a router. So hacking a router is different from hacking a Wi-Fi. Hacking a Wi-Fi means getting access of a Wi-Fi without the permission of that Wi-Fi's owner. But hacking a router means getting complete control of it. That is, you can change the Wi-Fi password, you can change the router's password, or you can block certain devices from entering that particular router. You can do anything by hacking a router. So how to hack a router? The first thing that we have to do is we have to be connected to the same router's Wi-Fi, because when we connect to it, we will get the default gateway. So as we know before, how to get the default gateway, just go to command prompt and type ipconfig. So when we type ipconfig, we will get the default gateway. Just copy the default gateway and paste it in your browser. It can be Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, or whatever. Just paste it in your browser. Most probably all the routers will have this gateway only, this default gateway 192.168 and 1.1. Just copy paste it here and hit enter. So you will get a page like this after you enter your gateway. So if you enter the username and password right, then you are the boss of that router. You can do anything over that router. But how to know this username and password? The first thing that you can do is, just if possible, just turn the router that you want to hack for the credentials. Most probably all the routers will have the username and password at its back itself. If not, no problem, just try this. Username should be admin and the password should also be admin. Here username is admin and the password is blank, just leave it blank or leave both blank. So try any of this combo and something should work. Most probably something will work. If not, the best thing that you can do is just go to Google. Let's say you want to hack a Hathway router. Just go to Google and type Hathway router username password. Most probably Google will give you the right username and password. Just then copy that and paste it here, and most probably you will get access to that router. Okay, so all these cases are okay. Username is admin, and the password is here is blank. So everything will work. But here is also a case where username is admin and the password is the MAC address. But how to get the MAC address? I can get my device. Each and every device will have a MAC address, right? Like that, the router is also a separate device. Let's say I want to know my device's MAC address. I can just go to command prompt and type getMAC. By typing getMAC, I'll get my device MAC address, but not the router's. But how to get that MAC address of that router? Just go to Google and type this ComView for Wi-Fi. It's actually a software. Just download the software called ComView for Wi-Fi. So when you download this, you will see a login page like this, which will look like this. So first you have to just click on this play icon, which is on the top left. When you click on this play icon, you will get a dialog box like this, which will ask you to wait for some 15 to 20 seconds. The timer will go and you have to wait for the timer to get down. Once the timer is get down, you'll be able to click on this continue. And when you click on this continue, you'll get a page like this. So these are all the access points. So it has written as AP, right? This is an AP. AP means access point. Access points are the routers, basically a router. This is my router. Under my router, these are all the devices. STA means station. So these devices, these are all some devices like laptop, mobile phone, or whatever. So these are all the access points. This is my access point, and these are the access points which are near me. So this page will display this many informations like this. If you want to know the MAC address, just go to that particular access point and right click there. When you right click there, you will get a box like this. Here you have to click this copy MAC address. That's all. So just by clicking copy MAC address, you will get the MAC address of that particular access point. It's not that you can get only the access point of the connected router. You can also get it's not that you can only copy the MAC address of the connected router. You can also get the MAC address of any router. Let's say I don't know this router, I don't know the username and password of these many routers, but even then I can get the MAC address of these many routers. Just by right clicking here, the same dialog box will appear here. I can copy the MAC address of any access point which is near me. It's not only that I can get these access point, I can also get the MAC address of each and every devices which are connected. So this is my access point, these are all the devices, right? Let's say I want to copy the MAC address of this particular device, even then I can do that. Just by right clicking here, I will get the same dialog box here. I can just click on this copy MAC address and I can get the MAC address. Just by having the software, you can get the MAC address of any devices, any access points which are near you, and all the devices which are connected to your network. It's not only that you can get only the MAC address. Just by clicking on these details, you can get some more details like the transfer rate. Let's say I want to know how much data he is using. I can just right click here and click on these details. So it will tell me these many bytes or these many kilobytes are being transferred and these many kilobytes are being received. I can get more details also. And the other thing here is this software is used to hack a WEP network. Nowadays WEP networks are very less, but a WEP secured router can be easily hacked just by using this software. Nowadays everyone are using this WPA, WPA2, which are more secure. But if in case you have a WEP network nearby, just try using the software. You can easily hack that. You can get all the packets. Just go to YouTube and check for this with this ComView for Wi-Fi. You can easily hack using this software. Only the WEP network, not WPA or WPA2. So okay, now so for what we are using is to copy the MAC address and paste it here, right? And to paste it here, we are using this software. So a MAC address will always have a colon in between. First there will be 2 digits, two characters, then a colon, then 2 digits. Totally it will have some 12 characters. So while pasting you should not paste it along with the colon. So the best thing that you can do is just click on this copy MAC address and paste it in a notepad. Paste it in a notepad first, remove all the colons which are in between, and then copy that and paste it over here, and you will get the access if the password is the MAC address. You should not paste it directly with that colon. Okay, just now we saw how easily a router can be hacked. So now how to secure our router. So just by changing the password, most probably all the usernames are admin and the password is also what I specified, right? The password can also be found in Google itself. So it's better always to change the password and the username. So the username is previously admin. This is my default gateway. We already discussed about this. This is my default gateway page. In that I am in this administration tab. Under that I am in user management. So here I will get a page like this. Here you can change the username and password. Enter your old password, then the new password. That's all. It is changed. This is how you can secure your router. Okay, just now we saw how to secure a router, but even a secured router can be easily hacked. So how to hack a secured router? Secured router is nothing but which has a username, which has a different username and password, right? But this is how a router looks like, right? So there will be a small hole like this, which is called the reset button. Just take a pin and poke it for some 10 seconds and the router will be completely reset. That is, it will lose its new password and everything. All the settings will be completely closed. So just take a pin, hold it for 10 seconds. When you hold it for 10 seconds, all the light will, at a time, all the lights will start to blink. When this happens, it means that the router is reset. Once the router is reset, it will get back to its old username. That is, it will get back to its old, which is the username can be admin and the password can also be admin, which you can get it in Google itself. So just by doing this, everything will go off. So that's all with this video. We'll meet again.